Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome to WorldTVOnDemand.com. Today we're going to be installing this 4-channel, 4-camera surveillance system or security system. Anyway, so if the apocalypse happens and those zombies start coming and knocking on your door, you can see who they are. You know, whether they're beside the house, in front of the house, at the front door, wherever, you'll be able to see them. So anyway, let's check it out and see what comes in the box, and let's install it. And we're going to talk about all the pieces and parts. So let's get started. This is Harold and welcome to WorldTVOnDemand.com. Hey, today we're going to talk about security cameras. Now, a bunch of years ago, I bought these video cameras at the office supply store for around they're around 75 bucks with tax. The new one that I bought, WiseNet, and they're going to try to get you to get off-site recording with their company with a monthly fee and all that stuff. I'm not going to do that, but that is an option. It comes with this DVR right here. Well, it's an NVR security system, so it will record, and it has 2 megapixels, 1920 by 1080 picture, full HD picture. So this is the one I'm going to put in now, and I'm going to take it out of the box and we're going to check out all the pieces and parts. So you will receive this quick start guide book that comes with your equipment. So I would recommend that you just go through and flip through the pages and get familiar with it before you get started. And then your device comes with a mouse, a remote control, a power supply, a cable to hook it to your internet box for your router, HDMI cable to connect it to a TV or a monitor, and then over here in the chair, let me move the camera. You get your 4 cameras. These are nice cameras too. Very nice cameras. It has a Wi-Fi antenna on it, and it has where you plug in for the power. And it also comes with extremely long cables if you don't have power where you need it. But you can just reach out and find the power wherever you need it. So first thing I'm going to do is read some more on this book, but it says mount the cameras where you want to mount them first and get them all plugged into power. So that's what I'm going to do next. For this job, you're going to need a 1/8 inch drill bit and a drill. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and I also use my Phillips head here on this on my impact. But it's better to use a screwdriver if you can, because it's going to get it in straighter and you have less chance of stripping out the screw with a screwdriver. Because like I said, those screws are soft. They're not real good hard screws. Now this is the unit here, the DVR, that records everything. It's pretty simple to use. When you plug everything in, it'll find the cameras and bring them up on your monitor or TV screen. Also, for the app, there's a barcode here that you have to scan as you go through the process, and I will show you that in a little bit. But the only thing you got to do to hook this up is the HDMI cable to your TV or monitor, your Ethernet cable to your router, and the power supply, and it'll come on and start doing its thing. Now it comes with a mouse that I showed you earlier, but I used a wireless mouse and plugged the dongle in right here in the front. I'll probably change that to the back so I can use the front for something else. And then it connects to the cameras on its own and starts doing its thing. So, but we'll look at that in a little bit. But let's go find out where we're going to put this last camera. So I put the camera over here. I got to run the wire up through here and plug it in over here, and then you'll see one side or the other. I'm going to have the picture show up that shows it come online. It'll come online. So let's do that. It's real simple. Drill the 2 holes, or 3 holes, put the screws in there. Put it in the direction that you think you want it, because you're going to have to do some final adjusting once you get it all hooked up. So I'm going to move my ladder and go ahead and hook the power up. That's just the right length. It's just the right length. Plug it in. Tuck it around these other supports here. And now I'm just going to plug it in. Plug in the power right here. Plug it in. So now this is a little better view. I took a snapshot with my phone of the monitor, and that's a couple of other things we're going to talk about real quick, and then I'll be done with this video. But we want to talk about the phone app right now and the monitor situation. Okay, now the last thing you want to know about is the app for the phone. And let me just go here to my app. I was working on a cast thing to be able to cast my phone to the computer. I haven't found a free one yet. All of them are pay. So if you know of an app that you can download to your phone that you can mirror cast your phone to the computer, if you send that to me in the description below, I appreciate it. But let me see here. Let me get first off on your phone, go to the Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Now you would think, because it says WiseNet on the box, WiseNet. WiseNet. You would think that they would have their own app, and that's what it would be, WiseNet. But that's not what it is. Like I said in the very beginning, read all the instructions, because in fine print in the description it's going to tell you to type in let's see, what was it? Let's see, Wise View. Wise View. So type in Wise View, hit the top one up there with that little icon. It's going to come up and it's going to say, mine's going to say uninstall and open, but yours is going to say install. So you just want to install it. Okay, install that app. And then when you do that, it's going to ask you to scan your barcode. So then you're going to take your phone, and this is not the barcode, this is not the one, this is just an example, but you're going to scan your barcode on your DVR. It's going to be right on the corner in the back. There's going to be a barcode, and you're going to scan it. And once you do that, it's going to ask you for the password, because I'm not going to show you my passwords and all that stuff. But when you first plug it in, it's going to ask you to make a password, and it has to be numbers and a letter and a character. So you have to do all that. So once you get it installed on your phone, you're going to have this little icon here is going to come up. The little icon. It's going to click on it. And it's going to do that, and it's going to go around in a circle, and it's going to bring up your cameras just like that. And that's pretty good. I had a snapshot last night for the night camera, and it's pretty good. It's in black and white, but it does have a real good picture. So, and that's how you do it. So, this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. I hope you enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I have another video for you soon. But install your security system with your cameras so you can see what's going on your phone. The last thing, it does not come with a monitor, so be prepared to either buy a monitor or hook it to your TV in your house, and it will work fantastic. So you guys have a great day. I'll have another video for you soon. This is Harold signing off, baby. See you later.